Alright, this is my submission for assignment 1 of graphics programming for the first task of drawing the star inside the DX app. Come down and inside of the vertices array, I've added in vertice for each point of the inner square and then 1 point for each furthest point on the star, and then set the correct size in memory of the vectors. And then in the indices, we have all the indice pairs of each triangle, and then set the proper size of the byte width. And then we set the proper number of indices inside the draw index. So when running this, we will get the star, and then in another project, have in here for task number 2, in the header we have the static constant numverts and 2 new functions for creating the vertices as well as creating the indice pairs. So if we look in here, so here when we're creating the vertices, we'll just create a vertices array of numverts, and then we will call create inside it polygon with numverts and that array. And then when we are creating the indices, we'll create an array of the indices of ratio, which is set here, and then we will call the create indices function, which these are up here. So in create inside a polygon, we're creating each of the points inside each structure in the array, set by the cosine f of the angle, which is determined by the half of the circle depending on the number of vertices. And then the create in indices just goes down and fills up the indice array with 0 followed by increasing numbers. So if we run this, get a shape with 6 vertices, or a circle with 6 vertices. And if we come into the header and we change the numverts to something like 20, we'll get a circle with 20 vertices instead. And then just as the same with the first one, down here the proper memories are being set by these variables, either the ratio or the number of verts.